Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our chapter number 10, Animals, Form and Function. This is the first part of this chapter. In this chapter, we will discuss about locomotion and movement, about skeletal system and its different parts, about joint and its different types. Let's start the topic. Locomotion. As you know, locomotion is the act of a body moving from one place to other place. Means when the organism move from one place to another place, that is called as locomotion. Movement is different from locomotion. Movement is the change in position of only a part of the body. All organisms show movement. The ability to move has been used as create a distinguished feature between plants and animals. Plants apparently do not show movement, but animals show movement freely. The body movement of animals are related to their body structure. Animals move in variety of ways like walking, running, flying, jumping, crawling and swimming. Different parts are used in this act of moving from one place to another place. Now, skeleton are of a two type. One is exoskeleton, another one is endoskeleton. And the exoskeleton means if the organism have the skeletal system outside their body, that kind of skeletal is called as exoskeleton. For example, crabs, snail, turtle, tortoise, these all are the organism having exoskeleton. Endoskeleton. The endoskeleton means the skeleton that is present inside the body is called endoskeleton. The examples of the endoskeleton are human beings, birds, frog, snake, etc. Now, we will talk about the movement in human beings. In human beings, two systems take part in a movement of different parts of the body. These two systems are the skeletal system and muscular system. Let's discuss about skeletal system. Skeletal system performs various functions. The main function of the skeletal system are it gives the body shape, it gives the body support, it allows the body to move from one place to another place, and it protects the soft internal organs like heart, stomach and liver. Even the blood cells are made in the soft substance which is called as bone marrow, which is present inside the bones. Okay, so these are some important function of skeletal system. Or our skeletal system is consist of bones and cartilage. You know, the bones are actually hard in a structure, but the cartilages are soft and elastic and they can easily bend. The examples of the cartilages are it is present in our earlobe and nose. Now, human skeletal system is having a different parts. First, skull, backbone, rib cage, limb bones. One by one, we discuss each of them. Now, first one part is skull. The skull is made up of 22 bones. The bones in the skull is fixed and jointed except the lower jaw. The lower jaw can be moved and it allows us to chew the food and to talk. The bones of the skull protects the brain from injury. The next one is backbone or called as spine. It is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. The rib cage is jointed to these bones. The backbone protects the spinal cord. The backbone runs along our back starting from the neck. It can be easily located in our body as a hard bony structure. Next one is rib cage. The ribs are thin, flat and curved bones that form the protective cage-like structure and protects the lungs. That structure is only called as rib cage. There are 12 ribs consist of 24 bones arranged in 12 pairs. The ribs are jointed to the backbone at the back. The ribs can be flat if we run our finger around our chest. Next one is limbs. Humans have a two pair of limbs. One pair of forelimb or upper limb, or we can say in a common word, arms, and the other part is hind limbs or a lower limbs, which is called as legs. As you see in the diagram, in our forelimb we have a major bones. The upper first bone is called as humerus. Then we have two bones, one is radius and ulna. Then radius ulna is and with carpals. In the palm area we have a metacarpals, and in finger we have a phalanges. In same way we have bones in our lower limb or in leg. First bone is femur. Then we have two bones, tibia and fibula, and after that it will end with tarsals and metatarsals, and then with phalanges. Thank you. This is the first part of this chapter.